Many older men commonly experience a condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or an enlarged prostate. This issue is prevalent in over 70% of men age 60 and above. When dealing with BPH, you might notice symptoms such as a weaker urine flow, post-urination dribbling, and a persistent sensation of an incompletely emptied bladder. Thankfully, nature provides several herbal remedies that can alleviate these symptoms and potentially aid in the treatment of an enlarged prostate. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective herbs for addressing BPH and enhancing your overall prostate health. Let's get started. First on the list are white button mushrooms. One of the major culprits behind BPH is hormonal imbalances in men. Fortunately, white button mushrooms come to the rescue by helping regulate these hormones in your body. These mushrooms contain certain compounds that can put the brakes on the production of a hormone called DHT, which is essentially a more potent version of testosterone and linked to prostate enlargement. By lowering DHT levels, white button mushrooms work their magic in reducing the prostate to its normal size, ultimately improving urinary issues like weak urine flow and that nagging feeling of an inadequately emptied bladder. Moreover, these mushrooms pack a punch when it comes to anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe the inflammation in your prostate region and decrease your risk of developing BPH. Next up, we have the stinging nettle root. This root is a hero when it comes to its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation in the prostate gland can lead to uncomfortable swelling and difficulties in urination, but the stinging nettle root steps in to reduce this inflammation, easing those troublesome symptoms. And that's not all. Research indicates that stinging nettle roots can also throw a wrench into the conversion of testosterone into DHT, which is a potential driver of BPH. By hindering this conversion, the root can put a stop to further prostate growth. What's more, this herb contains antioxidants, particular flavonoids and polyphenols, which act as protective shields for your cells, guarding them against free radical damage and oxidative stress. This defense mechanism can be a valuable asset in preventing this condition from developing in the first place. Next, let's talk about pumpkin seed oil. This oil is loaded with phytosterols, which are natural compounds derived from plants and have strong connections to prostate health. These phytosterols are like prostate superheroes. They not only work to diminish inflammation in the prostate gland, but also put a brake on the production of DHT, a major player in BPH symptoms. That's not all. This oil is a treasure trove of powerful compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory superpowers, especially vitamin E, carotenoids, and polyphenols. These crusaders come together to reduce swelling and discomfort in the prostate, paving the way for enhanced urinary function and a drop in BPH-related issues. Intriguingly, some studies suggest that pumpkin seed oil can also work wonders for bladder function, especially in those dealing with BPH-related urinary urgency and frequency. It helps smoothen the urinary flow, making it a breeze to empty the bladder fully. It's like having a natural remedy in your corner. While there is a medical drug called tamsulosin that acts similarly to pumpkin seed oil, it often comes with a greater risk of side effects. However, remember to consult your healthcare expert before using pumpkin seed oil for BPH and adhere to their recommended dosage and guidelines. Next, let's dive into the world of passion flower tea. This tea boasts a bioactive compound known as chrysin, which has a remarkable anti-inflammatory effect. Remember, inflammation can be a thorn in the side when it comes to your risk of developing BPH, and it can also exacerbate the symptoms linked to an enlarged prostate. So, taming that inflammation can provide a welcome sigh of relief. What's intriguing is that some studies even hint at passion flower's knack for relaxing muscles. This muscle-relaxing quality can extend to the smooth muscle tissue surrounding the prostate, reducing the discomfort and difficulty often associated with urination. Quite the botanical helper, right? And here's a bonus. Passion flower is known for its calming effects and has a history of use in treating anxiety. Prolonged stress and anxiety can crank up the intensity of your BPH symptoms, so the soothing properties of passion flower indirectly offer relief from both your BPH-related discomfort and the stress that accompanies it. It's like a double dose of relief in a cup of tea. Now, let's explore the wonders of Moringa powder. This green gem is a natural ally in the battle against an enlarged prostate or BPH, packed with flavonoids, polyphenols, and isothiocyanates. It's like a superhero squad for relieving those BPH-related symptoms. Also, Moringa is a treasure chest of vitamins, boasting vitamin C and vitamin E, along with cortin and cerol. These antioxidants serve as your cell bodyguards, shielding them from those pesky free radicals, even the ones lurking in your prostate. Moringa has been linked to hormonal modulation, meaning it can help maintain a healthy balance of testosterone levels. Additionally, it brings antibacterial and antifungal properties to the table. While these may not directly address your enlarged prostate symptoms, they sure can significantly reduce your risk of falling prey to those uncomfortable urinary tract infections. It's like a multifaceted defense strategy from a single source, Moringa. Next up, we have lycopene. Picture lycopene as both an artist's pigment and a formidable antioxidant. It's like the cleanup crew for those pesky free radicals in your body, including your prostate. Studies even suggest that lycopene plays a role in putting the brakes on the growth of prostate cells, potentially slowing down the enlargement of the prostate gland. But that's not all. Lycopene can give your blood flow a boost, which can be a real game changer if you're wrestling with urinary symptoms tied to BPH. Its anti-inflammatory superpowers work like a superhero cape, quelling inflammation throughout your body, including your prostate, and even thwarting potential DNA damage. This is vital because genetic damage can contribute to the onset and progression of BPH, or an enlarged prostate. As the grand finale, lycopene also steps up to the plate by fortifying your immune system. A strong immune system is like your body's fortress, crucial for your overall well-being, and it even lends a helping hand in shielding you from prostate-related infections. Coming up next, we have the zesty power of lemons and other citrus fruits. These fruits are like a treasure trove of fantastic compounds, including vitamin C and flavonoids like hesperidin and naringin. They bring a potent blend of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties to the table, forming a robust defense against the development of benign prostatic hyperplasia and aiding in its treatment. Some studies even hint at lemons having potential anti-cancer properties. While more research is needed in this domain, it's worth noting that although BPH is benign and non-cancerous, the specter of prostate cancer often looms, especially as men age. So incorporating citrus fruits into your diet or relishing natural citrus juices can be your armor against both BPH and its bothersome symptoms, as well as the potential threat of prostate cancer. It's like a burst of sunshine for your prostate health. And lastly, we have cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are a goldmine of bioactive compounds, including sulforaphane, which packs a punch when it comes to anti-inflammatory properties. They swoop in to quell inflammation in the prostate gland, providing relief from BPH-related symptoms. These vegetables are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, forming a protective shield around your prostate cells, guarding them against oxidative stress and free radical damage. Cruciferous veggies also contain glucosinolates, which can be transformed into I3C and DIM in your body. These compounds work their magic on estrogen metabolism, meaning they help regulate your hormones. This hormonal balance can be a game changer in managing your BPH symptoms. But wait, there's more. I3C and DIM have also undergone scrutiny for their role in detoxifying harmful substances from your body. This detox process can be a superhero cleanse, helping to remove carcinogens and other compounds that might contribute to prostate issues. Some studies suggest that both I3C and DIM possess anti-proliferative effects on prostate cells. In simpler terms, they put a stop sign on prostate cell multiplication, reducing the risk of BPH and prostate cancer. So whether you're looking to reduce your BPH risk, sidestep its complications, or speed up your recovery from an enlarged prostate, don't forget to make cruciferous vegetables a regular part of your diet, along with the other foods and herbs we've explored in this video. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.